No niin, tervetuloa takaisin tänne haastattelupisteeseen ensimmäiseen kerrokseen. Vieraana minulla on Niki. Hän on ollut mukana suunnittelemassa tätä Expoa tänne HAAGA-HELIAan täällä Porvoossa. Ja keskustelu käydään englanniksi, koska Niki on ulkomailta. Hello Niki, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine, thanks.
So, you have been active in this planning this Expo. Could you tell us a little bit about your background to this Expo?
Okay. Well, we are planning this as a group of 8 students. We are divided into teams, so we had a team from Pasila HAAGA-HELIA campus and also from Porvoo. And we're doing this in a course. So it was a great chance to organize a networking event, and actually the course is also called Developing Networks.
Okay, so what was the biggest challenges during the planning of this Expo?
I think there are always challenges if you plan, so of course we were struggling, we had some technical problems, but I think we did well and we have a good, we come good out of it, I think.
Great. I understood earlier that we discussed that you were also on a Living Lab course. Could you tell me a little bit about that course and what you were doing on it?
Actually, I did the Symbio, which is developing entrepreneurship. Come closer, it's okay. So we were developing entrepreneurship, so it's a startup school called, and they support different business ideas. So for example, in the Porvoo campus, we have a brewery now starting, we have a Vietnamese restaurant, and also a clothes shop, small handicraft shop in Helsinki is opening during these classes. So they teach us, help us to start our own business.
Well, but that's interesting. Could you tell me a little bit about that more? You have a brewery and a clothing shop. Like, where are you active? Where do you do?
Well, actually, I'm not active because my idea was kind of, I was working it through, but it actually worked out to not work. So we let it be, which was better.
Yeah, that's a way to work too, you know. Yeah, okay. Could you, from a student's perspective, tell me how was it to plan or be a part of planning this expo?
It's amazing because I think it's a really big project and it was big responsibility which comes with it. So we had a lot of to do, we had a lot to plan. We had great help from our project manager, so I think everything was all the time clear. So it was really good to plan it.
And how long have you planned this? When did you start first of all?
I can just tell for the Porvoo team, so we started with beginning of this semester. That means in the middle of August we get like the project to be involved in, and then we started to plan with it. But I think it's way earlier they started to plan.
Okay, so how has it been to work with other schools during this project?
It was really good because we have a good connection to Pasila campus now, and it was very helpful to divide the tasks between us. So it's very good that there are many people helping.
And you made some new friends during the way?
Yes, sure.
Wonderful. A little bit about you. So you're studying here in Porvoo, right? Okay. So what are you studying?
I'm studying tourism management.
Okay, and how far have you got in your studies?
I'm a third-year student. Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing right now in your course or in your student? What do you call it? Yes, in your student life.
In my student life.
Yeah.
I'm studying next to this course, or.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Well, I will start my thesis soon, I guess. So this is a lot to do. I have Finnish class because I came here as exchange student to Finland, and I'm not Finnish, obviously, but we take Finnish class, so I have English class next to it. I start my thesis. We have a hotel management class, or for example, I'm doing sales and service skills.
So do you think, planning this will help you in your studies to be?
Yes, of course, because I think that we get more and more challenging stuff, so this was really big project to plan for me. And of course we start smaller, so as a third-year student they have bigger responsibility or bigger, like you can be bigger involved or in bigger projects. And I think it was very helpful because you can still make mistakes as a student, but somehow somewhere's there to support you. Yeah.
Okay, have this been pleasant? Are you going in the future to maybe, if somebody asks you, hey, there's this other expo coming up, you have this experience from the other one, would you like to join our team and do something there too?
I like project work, so I'm really open for that. I would really hope so.
Okay, so tell me what you know about Living Lab.
Living Lab is Innovations Day. It's sadly all in Finnish, so it's hard to understand. I can manage maybe a bit. But we have a lot of exhibitors here, also from Tempur. We have Sleep Well, we have sales and service skills, how to develop, how to come further. So it's a very good thing, and it's I think it's really good networking event for all the people around the country.
Okay, are you going to go around here too yourself and find maybe something that you want to try out?
Yeah, I think so. So in the afternoon, like, we can take parts and we...
Okay, so what are you doing now in the before lunch when, okay, I'm interviewing you now, but what else are you doing?
Actually, I have few things still to do, like, in a project something is missing somewhere everywhere. So we're going to figure this out, but actually I plan on having feedback interviews with participants as well, to know, of course, what we can make better the next time.
Okay, wonderful. I'm out of questions right now.
Okay.
Wonderful. So thank you, Niki, for your answers, and I hope this event will be as successful in the afternoon than it was right now, and good luck in the future.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.